Hey, welcome to Geotech. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you probably want to do that right now. Okay. So, in this video, what we're talking about is something more realistic and something that's going to help you in your work, whether you're whichever sector you're in. And the whole essence of Geotech is not just for education, but also to just help people ensure when they're using their um, computers is helping them to boost productivity. So today I'll be talking about a very important tool called the Snipping Tool. Yes, I'm pretty sure you've heard about the Snipping Tool. Okay, but if you've not heard about it, worry not. This is what it is. I'm just going to click here, the Windows icon here, and I'm just going to click on the search and then type Snipping. Yes, it's an app pre-installed on your laptop. You don't need a special app. Do that. Matter of fact, the Snipping Tool was introduced in Windows Vista, so you can imagine. So you have it. If you're in the Windows 10, you're using Windows 11, trust me, it's right there pre-installed. So what is the Snipping Tool? The Snipping Tool is a utility in Windows operating system, okay, that allows users to take screenshots. Okay, it also allows users to capture a portion, okay, or the entire of their screen, and you can actually save the image for later use. But then again, in this video, there are three things I'm talking about: how you can be able to capture a portion, and how you can be able to record a portion, and how you can be able to watch this. There is now a feature where you can be able to copy text. So three things I want to talk about, and trust me, this would really excite you. That yes, and this is, I think I noticed this because of the update that was made in Windows 11, especially Windows 11. The new update as of the time of this recording is 23H2. In fact, it was 22H2, that is 23H2. Okay, so that is what I'm currently using now. So I noticed this, and I just want to share this with everyone here. So how do we do this real quick? So I've opened my Snipping Tool. I'm just going to go to my YouTube channel, right? And what I would do is I'm going to click here. Now you need to take note of this. This is snip, and this also is to snip, to take a picture. This is to take a video, right? So this is where you can snip for to take a picture or to capture a portion, a picture you want to take. Here is just to record a portion, okay, on your entire screen. You can use that to do that as well. And here you have them in rectangle, full screen, freeform, and windows. That if you want to go with any of this, okay. So what I would do, and also again, you can set a delay. Like, okay, it's gonna give you a countdown. Okay, maybe if you do like 3 seconds countdown, it's gonna give you like 3 seconds before it starts capturing that portion that you've assigned it to capture. Okay, so but we're not doing any delay, so just that's why the reason why we're doing no delay here. Okay, if for record, it doesn't have a delay because it does not come with that no delay whatever, because automatically for video it has a 3 seconds delay. Okay, so let's start with the basic, right? So this right here is it has a keyboard shortcut called the Windows plus Shift plus S to be able to start a snip. Okay, so what I will do is that I'm going to do this, and I'm just going to open my Word. Just click here to search for it and then type Word, so we can um just put this into practice, right? So I'm just going to click on the blank document. Okay, you can actually do it in your OneNote, whichever one you want to do, whether OneNote or Word, whichever one. I'm just using this for practice, right? So I come here to, yes, this is my YouTube channel. Like I said, if you're not subscribed, you want to do that, you want to do what, to just hit on the subscribe button. Okay, so what I will do right now is I'm going to click here on new, right, to take a new screenshot. Again, the snipping tool is a utility in the Windows operating system that that allows, right, um, users to be able to take a screenshot. So I'm just going to click on new, and then probably I can just take a screenshot of, okay, let's say I want to take a screenshot of this. Now this is going to capture everything, and I don't want that. If you don't set assign a portion, it's going to capture everything. So I'm just click on new again and do this. Capture only this part. Good. So I can come here to my word or to whatever and maybe just control, or I'm just going to right click and then just paste it. Okay, so that's one way to do this. All right, now that is how you can be able to take any, so automatically it's copied, but for some reason if you do that, and also you can come here as well and then click on the copy, which is Ctrl C, and then you can paste it. But if you don't know where it is, I probably mistakenly closed it, you can go to pictures and then go to screenshots. And if you click on screenshots, you are going to, if you open the screenshots, you're going to see where it is here. Okay, very, very important. Okay, just close this. So it's a folder called screenshot, and that's where you see it. Okay. Okay, I think I can just close this as well. Yep, let me close it. Okay, so the next one is the video. Now, to take a video, this is very, very interesting. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to just put up just one of my videos. Um, Speaking of videos, I have an offer for anyone who's interested, not just students but workers, who's interested in Microsoft Office 365. Yes, I have a one-time offer. One time, right? It's a one-time subscription. You don't have to bother about renewing the subscription, and you can just, it's just $50 only, right? And you have, yes, a one-time subscription. You pay for it and you don't have to worry about it. How cool is that? Okay, so I'm just probably going to use this. Okay, let me use something. Okay, let me use something else. Okay, let me just use probably this, right? So I'm going to use this. Okay, so I'm just going to use this, and right here I'm just going to go to my snipping, click on the video, right? And I'm going to click on new. Now if I click on this new, I'm going to take a new recording, and of course the keyboard shortcut is Ctrl plus N. So I'm just going to click on the new, and then I can assign a portion, probably this, right? And now I'm going to click on start. Notice that the microphone is muted. Now the reason why the microphone is muted, if the microphone is unmuted, right? If this microphone is unmuted, it's going to take in external recordings. Okay, but if it's muted, right, it's only going to capture the recording coming from the laptop. Probably want to record something and then post it. This feature is so important for people who are doing TikTok, people who are doing social media, so it's easier for them to just record a piece and then upload it into your YouTube channel. Okay, and you don't have to, it can be a short for you, it can be a YouTube short, right? You can just take a portion of that and then there you go for your YouTube short. Okay, that's why this is muted. Okay, and again this is using the system, the system audio is also muted as well. So now I'm going to click on new. Notice I mute, I this video I'm taking, this is muted. Of course you can unmute it and it's still going to work. Okay, so I'm just going to click on start and watch what happens. You can see that it's currently taking this portion, and it's, if you notice this, it is with a red grid line, right, showing that this is the area that the snipping tool is capturing, is recording. Every other part is not included. Okay, so I'm just going to stop this. Stop. Now we have this portion. Okay, now we have this portion. So if I click on play, you can see that, can you see this? Wow, this is really, really cool. So you can be able to take a portion. You can also edit it using the Clipchamp. Okay, probably I'm going to do a video about the Clipchamp, and so you guys can know it's a free tool. You can upgrade for it, but really it's free. You can just click on edit in Clip, Charm, and if you click on editing Clipchamp, it's going to start up. For other users who watching me right now, you probably need to sign in or create an account with Clipchamp before you can have this interface. Okay, so it's going to open with Clipchamp. Probably I might have to do a tutorial on Clipchamp. So just let me know in the comment section if I should do a tutorial on Clipchamp, right? And I'll start getting ready for it. So here you can be able to just add text to this. Okay, you have the option of adding text. You can add you have also an option of adding an audio, you know, to probably maybe it's a muted video, you want to add an audio to just make it fun. Okay, and then you can adjust it as much as you want. You can take it here, crop the parts you don't want. You can be able to split the parts that you don't want. Okay, that can be done. You can add captions if you want to. You can add transitions if you want to. There are the content library here that you can actually choose from. There are free versions you can choose from, and that will make it awesome. And if you're done with everything here, okay, right here on the spot for the free version, you have 1080p, which is a high quality. 4K, you probably need to upgrade to have 4K export. Okay, um but you don't have to worry about 4K, right? 1080 is still fine. Okay, so yes, which is high definition as well. To actually save this in the cloud, you need to upgrade. Okay, but there are so many free features you can use on the Clipchamp that would make your work easy for you. Okay, how cool is that? All right. Okay, so now the next thing I want to talk about is for text. Okay, how can we copy text? Probably you're in a website where um they don't allow copying. You can copy and paste. And I know students love it. I know office people will love it. They love copy and paste because literally I do. Okay, I love copy and paste. It makes my work super easy. Okay, it makes it super easy. So how do I go about this? All right, so what you do is this. I have a website open up in CNN, and could real estate go the way I don't know. Okay, so it was random. I just picked it. It was random, so I'm just going to snip this and see how it works. So I have this, right? So what I will do right here is that I will go to my snipping tool, and then I'm going to click on um picture. I'm going to take a picture of it. Now, when I screenshot a picture of it, now it's going to detect the presence of text. So what I'll do now is right here, I'm going to click on new. Okay, and then I'm going to take this portion. Let's say this is the portion I want. I don't want to type this, it's too long for me. So I'll take this portion. So I have this. Now what I'll do is this. I'm going to maximize this, and there you have it right here, text action. So if I click on this, watch what happens. It's going to detect the text. Can you see? And will copy it for you. You can decide to say, you know what, I want to copy only this part, or I want to copy only this part, or I want to copy everything. So it's going to detect everything for you, and you can just say, okay, well, just copy all text for me. Well, I'm okay. I'm good with copying all text. And then you can come to your Word and probably add something to this. So I can right click and then I'll paste this. How cool is that? So now I've made your whole working, your productivity in your office to be far, triple, right? The things you're typing and that you can now use a snipping tool to record videos, right? Record a portion of the videos, um, capture a section, okay, or a portion of an image. Okay, you can take screenshots, you can record, and now you can also capture text. I have made the whole process easy for you. So if you find this video very, very useful, please give a like and share this video with somebody who's gonna find this very, very helpful. Thank you very much, and please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and bye bye.